Can this cat be kept at home? This is a Maine Coon, a giant cat breed. If you can afford its food, then yes. It's the largest domestic cat breed in the world. They can weigh over 10 kilograms and reach up to 1 meter in length. They are also known as one of the gentlest cat breeds. Unlike most other cats, they love water and even enjoy taking baths. Their only real problem is barely fitting into a litter box. Can this cat be kept at home? This is a Pallas's cat. You'd better run before it decides to feed on you. It's impossible to domesticate. From the moment it's born, it hates humans and does nothing but hiss. Its immune system also isn't suited for domestic life. Even ordinary household bacteria can kill it.